Second referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Maroons of the University of the Philippines. Let's start off with jersey number 5, Angeli Pauline Araneta. At number 8, Catherine Bersola. Wearing jersey number 13, Carol Sandoval. At number 14, Julien Kalugkug. Wearing jersey number 16, Jewel Hannah Lai. And their team captain with jersey number 10, Nicole Ann Tiamzon. Libero number 17, Maria Ariel Estraniero. Head coach, Mr. Jerry Yee. Calling on our Lady Troopers from the Philippine Army. Let's start off with jersey number 5, Mary Jane Balse. At number 6, Jacqueline Alarca. Wearing jersey number 8, Jovelyn Gonzaga. At number 13, Rachel Ann Dakis. Wearing jersey number 14, Nerissa Bautista. Their team captain is jersey number 7, Christina Salak. Libero number 15, Christine Agno. Head coach, Colonel Rico de Guzman. The best of luck to both teams.
Eto na po tayo ay nagbabalik dito sa San Juan Arena. Eto na, the Army Lady Troopers taking on the UP Lady Maroons.
Game na game na.
Andre Felix, game na game na. Excited na. Magandang hapon po ulit sa inyo lahat. At sisimulan na po natin. Of course, you saw the starters for both squads. At of course, UP coming off a loss. Nabanggit nga natin, Mozi. Ito yung ginagamit nilang motivation para makabawi dito sa kanilang second game. As for the Army, ito yung kanilang unang laban. Yes.
And alam naman natin lahat, kahit yung mga volleyball fans natin, na napakalakas nitong team na Army. So, ang UP, titignan natin ngayon, kasi kanina sabi natin, it's a mix-up of the old and the new. So, ano ba ang mga strategy na pwedeng gawin ni Coach Jerry, di ba? Up against a strong team na sabi nga niya, napakalakas na team ng Army. Pero syempre, yun yung gusto mong makita dito yung hindi nagpapatalo attitude, di ba? Yun ang gusto makita ni Coach Jerry, obviously.
Sinimulan kaagad ni Gonzaga doon, 1-0. Unang nakascore itong Army. Salak still with the serve, team captain for the Army, of course. But the Maroons,
ayan, finding a way to score that point.
Medyo si Rachel lang, alam niyang pwesto niya dapat yun.
Oh,
Nice.
haba.
Mahaba talagang galaman ito si Gonzaga. Talagang
Pushing that ball, using the blockers of UP to get that point. Diba nagulat ka ba na yung mga volleyball players natin? Ang lalaki, ang haba, at ang gaganda.
tinitignan ko ako kanina ako matangkad dito, parang konti lang eh. That is nice block there, helping Balse. Na Army setting their offense. Talagang pinupuntahan na si Gonzaga this early in the match.
Oh, what a save!
What a save!
Kala natin patay na yun, pero Alarca saving that ball. Easy taking there for Jovelyn Gonzaga. Nasabi mo nga, paulit-ulit pinupuntahan ni Tina Salak. Bakit naman hindi?
Bakit hindi? 3 points already for Jovelyn Gonzaga. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Alarca now with a serve. Good receive that time by UP. Binalik.
Free ball.
Takis will try. Malakas ba?
He caught the line.
Caught the line.
Point goes to Army. Mukhang may iniinda si Rachel.
Hindi nga din gusto ko banggitin. Itong si Rachel coming off the wrong foot pero scoring that time around. Itong right shoulder ni Rachel, masakit ba ito? Kailangan ba na masahe? Ano ba?
Yung pala yung worry mo.
Seryosong tanong
At
yun.
yun ang worry mo.
Seryosong tanong.
Malamang nga, sumiseryoso ka na.
Zoom in pa ni Rick Francis si Rachel.
Para sa yan.
Para sa atin lahat sa mga lalaki nanonood.
At,
oh, nice. Retrieve that time.
that's what you want to see.
Takis again.
Blocked.
block that time.
Oh,
But
Gonzaga.
Jovelyn Gonzaga is just too much.
Napakahirap pigilan.
4 out of the 5 points of the Army coming from Jovelyn Gonzaga. And a timeout called on the floor by Coach Jerry Yee. Tayo po ay magbabalik dito lamang. Center UP. Paminsan, nasa harap sa net.
Target down the line. Target down the line. Hey, watch out.
Ayaw lang siguro ni Coach Jerry na papag-iwanan yun ang UP dahil 5-1 na nga ang score. As you can see here in this last play, Gonzaga once again going down the line.
Ano ang kailangan gawin dito ng UP, Mozi? Para alam naman natin ito si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Once she gets her momentum, mahirap talagang pigilan. 4 dito sa 5 puntos ay galing kay Gonzaga. Ano ang dapat gawin ng Maroons para mapigilan itong si Gonzaga?
Well, for one, kailangan relentless ang blocking nila kay Jovelyn. At hindi pwedeng walang block. Kailangan nga kung pwedeng 2, 3 every time para mapigilan siya. Pero ang problema mo naman dyan ay maraming threat dito sa Army. Pero that time, see, block point from UP. Yan ang kailangan nila.
Cutting this deficit ng Army down to 3. 5-2 ang ating score. Of course, Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. They're setting up Balse.
Yan ang
That
middle
was
hit.
Middle hit. That was a quick middle hit that time. Balse getting that benefit and getting the score 6-2. Tingnan natin ang set dito ni Tina Salak. Saktong-sakto kay Balse. Ito yung sinasabi natin na magkakilala talaga. Gamay na gamay nilang isa't isa. And now setting. No comment tayo dito.
Pinabayaan ko na nga sa'yo
Hindi ko. Dakis with that set. That serve rather. And Salak.
Oh, and
Gonzaga again.
that's what you get because UP was giving easy balls dito sa Philippine Army. Hindi pwede. Dahil pag binalik sa'yo yan, hindi siya easy.
Arian Ilustre coming in for the first time. Pinasok na ni Coach Jerry. Susubukan niya ng balasahin ng kanyang mga players. Kalugkog, heading to the bench. Dakis again serving.
Oh,
Short that time around.
trying to target the first line of UP, but not enough juice on that serve. Si Rach, pag tinanood mo kasi siya, kaya gusto siya ng marami. Kasi para bang enjoy lang siya maglaro ng volleyball.
Gusto niya yung ginagawa niya. Parang effortless na effortless. Oh, good save that time around for the Maroons. Balse again. Good dig that time by UP. Subukan naman natin ngayon si Bautista using the left hand.
Oh, but ball returned once again.
Gonzaga tried to tip it over. No go.
Oh,
Nice
but
block.
Bersola single block by Ging Balse.
8-3 is our score in favor ng Army.
It doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta. It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal. Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
How do I keep an anchor happy?
Siyempre lahat naman tayo gusto natin na magandang start. Unfortunately, sa unang game ng UP Lady Maroons, hindi naman nangyari yon, lalo na sa NU Bulldogs. The first one of the season, sayang lang talaga. Ganun pa man, maraming nagbigay ng magandang comments sa FB ng Shakey's V-League. Ang sabi ng mga fans, gumagaling ang UP kahit talo sila sa nakaraang game against NU Lady Bulldogs. At dahil dyan, hindi pwede magkumpiyansa ang Lady Troopers sila nga ang veterans dito sa Shakey's, pero kailangan pa rin all out ang laro nila. At syempre, dahil mga ate sila, kailangan din matuto ang UP Lady Maroons. Balik sa inyo, Andre and Modi.
Maraming salamat sa iyo. Bianca, ang cute talaga mag-Tagalog na ito si Bianca. Pero ang galing na eh. Ang galing na mag-Tagalog eh.
Magaling talaga yan si Bianca. And tama yung sinabi niya, no? Mga ate talaga tong Philippine Army. So, you know, if you were UP, you want to take in everything that you can learn from this game. Hindi natin sinasabi na talo na kagad na UP. Ang point lang natin dito, yung mga ginagawa ng Army, pwede nga rin talagang panuulin ng UP at yung, alam mo yun, gamitin sa laro nila.
Magandang experience to para sa UP Maroons na syempre nakakalaban ng isang veterano, mga ate, maraming matututunan, lalo na in the coming games and also in the coming leagues that they will join. UP will take this and use this, gagamitin nila na experience as they have scored that time around 10-4 closing in on this Army lead to 6. Persola now will serve. By the way, Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's B-League, proudly Philippine-made.
Persola on the serve. Isa rito sa mga magagaling na server dito sa Liga. And yan.
Back-to-back points, and that time around, nice block from Araneta.
Of course, Araneta, one of their veteran players, total solid block there from coming from her. Yan ang kailangan nila. Kailangan masipag sa blocking. Yung commitment sa blocking kailangan palaging nandiyan.
Lalo na dun sa Army which has very active spikers and attackers that they have. Dak is trying to save it. And Agno was apologizing to the bench right away ditong kay Coach Rico dahil alam niyang medyo nagkamali siya dun sa timing sa kanyang received doon. Mikasa, by the way, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Persola again on the serve. Ito si Agno, who is playing for FEU, has really blended so well with this Philippine Army team. Persola na naman. Ito, maganda.
And
UP.
credit the blocking of this UP Lady Maroon squad.
Yan talaga yung kailangan nila in this game. So, kailangan wag silang mapagod at saka wag mag-give up sa blocking.
Tama. Yun yung wag silang bumigay dahil alam naman natin itong Army na to. You give them some open room, they will capitalize. Army, keeping the ball alive. Bautista.
Oh, that was returned. But with one block, not enough for Mary Jean Balse.
Balse says, tama na. Enough is enough. Balik sa akin ang bola, 11-7. 4-point lead lamang pa rin ng Army. Ako po na naman si Andre Felix. Kasama po natin si Mozi Ravena. Napakagandang hapon dito po sa The Arena in San Juan. A great day for volleyball. UP will try. Set again. Army gets it back. They go. Gonzaga again. Malakas. Pero pasok.
Gonzaga coming from the back row.
Yes.
Nilipad. Nilipad yung bolang yun, yung set na yun ni Tina Salak.
Tina Salak and Jovelyn Gonzaga just know each other very, very well.
That was well read by the Philippine Army.
Bautista with that attack there. Bautista again.
Yamson digging it. Pero they give a free ball, partner.
Free ball para dito sa...
Sabi niya, that was a dunk. That was unfair, Tina. Iba na ang matangkad.
Iba na ang matangkad. Iba na ang naggatas sa umaga at sa gabi. Yun ang hindi ginawa sa akin ng aking nanay. Kaya si Tina Salak ay mas matangkad pa rin sa akin.
Kaya huwag kang lalapit-lapit siya mamaya. Eto na.
May sinasabi sa atin dito si
ayun ako, masanay ka dyan.
Babalikan natin itong floor director natin, may sinasabi. Pero mamaya na yan. Gonzaga.
Ayan na. Another quick hit. But ang UP, ang ganda ng floor defense nila. Balik lang ng balik yung bola. Although hindi sila nakaka-offense. Pero yung bola bumabalik sa Philippine Army. But not that time dahil regalo na yung binigay ng UP.
Regalo na yung binigay talaga dun kay Alarca. Jacqueline Alarca with that. Right there.
Sayang yung UP, no? Nababalik nila yung bola, na itataas nila, hindi na nakaka-set up. Laging free ball ang pagkabalik. There you go, Araneta.
Yan ang kailangan nila dyan. Araneta scoring that time. Binabang lamang ng Army, 14-8. Panoorin natin ulit.
Power tip. Nanggaling dito kay Araneta.
And Ilustre now, Ariana Ilustre. Serving for UP.
That was returned by Araneta.
Setting it up, Bautista. Gonzaga with the receive there. Salak sets it up. Bautista again. Medyo nababasa na ng UP itong ginagawa ng Army. They can, nabanggit mo nga, Mozi, they can hang around. Nakakayanan naman nilang saluhin.
Yung opensa lang
Oo, yung opensa yung problema nila
but Alarca with that quick hit gets the point. Ang tagal diba? Ang tagal ng rally, nakakasagot naman sila. Kaya
nakakasabay actually itong UP sa Army.
That's right. Pero yung opensa, doon sila nakakaproblema. It's either hindi masyadong malalakas yung palo o yung mga hulog nila, hindi masyadong well-placed.
Bautista now serving for Philippine Army. Gonzaga, Salak again will set up Dakis this time around.
Dakis again on that same spot.
16-8.
Happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got plans left?
Yeah. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust. The new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
The Philippine Army, courtesy of the very, very, very
good
and talented Rachel Hernandez.
Alam mo na partner, kanina nabanggit natin yung atake ng UP kulang na kulang. Ito, 4 na atake pa lang nagagawa nila against the 14 of the Lady Troopers. Medyo malayo talaga, no? 10 more ang nagawa ng Army dito pa lang sa second technical timeout. So UP having 4 attack points, Philippine Army with 13. Pero ang UP partner, 3 block points na so far. Ang Army, isa pa lamang.
Maganda yung nabanggit mo partner dahil itong UP, nabanggit nga natin, yung depensa naman nila, wala namang problema thus far They have 3 blocks so far. Sabi mo nga, Mozi, nakakasabay sila sa mga rally nitong Philippine Army. Problema nila yung kanilang opensa. As we have a violation.
Yes, siguro sa rotation, wrong server ang itatawag dito sa positioning partner.
Wala mapupunta sa Philippine Army. Tina Salak will now serve.
So inaayos lang ng ating second referee. Yes, para just to make sure that they're in their proper places na.
Tina Salak will now serve for the Philippine Army Lady Troopers. And Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's League, proudly Philippine made.
Ano naman, free ball na naman ang naibigay ng UP. Ang kombinasyon naman ang binalik ng Philippine Army. Natawa sila dahil miss hit si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Ganun pa man, point pa rin.
Bato na, naging puntos pa. Jovelyn Gonzaga again scoring another point para sa Army. Ito na ang pinakamalaking lamang ng Army sa UP Lady Maroons, 18-9. But that time around,
Kiamson with a power tip. At pinadaan niya sa blockers ng Philippine Army. Hindi madaling gawin yan.
And now UP will serve Araneta. Gonzaga asking for it.
Oh, but Persola is tipping it over again. So, nahirapan din balik ni Gonzaga. UP gets the point. Si Bersola, isa yan sa pinakamagagaling na blockers. Ito sa kanyang generation, napakagaling na blocker.
Salak. So, miscommunication lang nangyayari doon between Alarca and Tina Salak. Puntos na naman para sa ating UP Lady Maroons, 18-12. Kahit pa paano itong UP, nagkakaroon sila ng momentum, nakakabalik sila sa ating laro. Pero biglang pag bumawi na to,
pero that time,
outside.
Jovelyn outside, a little bit long for Jovelyn Gonzaga. Tama kayo, may mga spurts, di ba, along the way. Tapos yun lang hindi lang matuloy-tuloy. Obviously, because of the firepower of the Philippine Army.
Gonzaga will set Dakis at this time around. Salak, sabi niya, isa pang beses, Rachel. Good luck that time around by UP, and that was a great
Persola once
Persola.
again. Alam mo, partner, ito si Persola, talagang yung gitnang yan para bang pag-aari niya di ba? Kasi ang lakas niya talaga dyan sa middle position. And UP has been scoring it from power tips. Parang yun ang game plan ngayon ni Coach Jerry, panay power tips ang binibigay. Panay hulog.
Balik tayo sa Army. Ito naman, they will try Persola again, but that time around, na blanca nitong Philippine Army Lady Troopers ang UP Lady Maroons.
Binantayan ng Philippine Army. Nakita mo,
Medyo
halos triple block yata yun nandun.
Kaso na yung sumalubong agad dito kay
Front
Persola.
line,
Oo. Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Once again, kayo po'y nanonood ng 11th season ng Shakey's V-League 11th. Season 11 ng Open Conference.
Tagal na namin,
Yes, so, at maraming salamat. At
11,
nakasama niyo ako dito sa pamilya ng Shakey's. Maraming pizza at marami pang mga volleyball girls. Magandang kombinasyon yun. At isang kombinasyon naman na panorin natin doon, illustrious scoring that time.
That's right.
For UP.
And that was a nice angle na pinuntahan ni Ilustre. Kasi may blocker sa harap niya, nilagyan niya ng konting angulo. Got the point.
Nakita niya kasi doon yung front line ng Army.
Sinasalak. Talagang pinweston pa sana yung sir, pero ang dikit na sa net Yan yung mga gusto mo kay Dina Salak because of her height. Nagagawa pa niya ng paraan. Pero that time, wala pumunta doon sa kabila. Natawagan pa nga siya ng violation.
Dumikit na ngayon ang score natin, 19-17. Na-jinx ko yata, but Valse scoring again for the Philippine Army.
Pero alam naman natin, when they need a point, yan ang mga pupuntahan nila. Yan si Kim Balse,
Si
yung
Balse,
quick hit ni Balse.
yes.
Yung utility nila, si Jovelyn
Gonzaga.
Gonzaga. Si Nene Bautista pa yung nandito sa open hit. Marios
Salak setting Balse again. Good dig that time by UP. Dakis, Salak will set up Jovelyn Gonzaga. Nakakuha, ito Sandoval now, over to Ilustre. Ilustre now, balik sa Army Bautista.
Oh, Bautista going down the line. Too much for
Yun na yung
Tiamson.
sinasabi natin kanina Timeout called by the Lady Maroons. Let's listen in to Coach Jerry.
Lusot yung pick, okay. Pero next time, susubukan nyo rin. Nalilate pa tayo sa switch natin. Dapat okay? Quicker, napapabayaan natin. Hindi na tayo kung ano matututunan.
May tawag na kapatid.
21-17, lamang pa rin ng 4. Itong Philippine Army, panoorin natin.
Yun yung down the line hit ni Nerissa Bautista. Look at her go. Kahit may dalawang blockers pa dyan. Went down the line.
Right on cue itong si Nene Bautista. Nabanggit mo lang kanina na
siya yung nasa open hit.
Oh. Yes, and talagang mahirap pakit sa UP. Hindi mo alam kung sino ang kailangan bang bantayan dito. Sino ang dapat abangan dahil, of course, with Tina Salak also setting the ball really well.
Na nakita mo naman kanina, may dakdak, ano pa siya, di ba? May dakdak move.
So, may surprise.
May threat pa sa kanya.
May threat din dito kay Tina Salak. Rachel Andakis, again serving for the Philippine Army Lady Troopers. They go to Ilustre, but blocked that time by Jovelyn Gonzaga. Puntos na naman para sa Philippine Army. Dito na natin siguro makikita yung ating Philippine Army experience and also the depth that they have in every position.
Tsaka yun nga kanina, di ba? Sa kada spurt ng UP, makikita natin na pipigilan nila eh. Hindi nila papapayaang lumapit ng lumapit. So, let's say, makakadalawa, 3 puntos, makikita mo, papatayin kagad ng Philippine Army. Pero si Coach Jerry Yee naman, siguro happy rin siya, no, na nakikita niya, iba din naman ang laban ng UP Lady Maroons. Dahil 18 din ang score nila at humabol din sila dun pagdating sa atake. Kasi kanina nga, before that second technical timeout, 4 lang na-produce nilang atake.
Naka-gain sila ng momentum after that timeout that they had. Salak setting up Balse again. Balik sa Army. Bautista. Ayun, nakapunta sila kay Nene Bautista, but good take. But Bautista again. There's too much to handle para sa UP Lady Maroons.
There we are, first set.
Going to the Philippine Army Lady Troopers 25-18. As we take a look here, panoorin natin ang ating Shakey's Shake and Play.
Yan, yung block ni Nerissa Bautista.
Panoorin natin ulit. Our Shakey's Shake and Play 25-18 after the first set. At tayo po ay magbabalik dito lamang sa GMA News TV.
Make it better by texting, calling, and surfing with Smart's All Text 20 Plus. Trying it calls to many. Made better with all day surfing. No tweet and a tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so free. And it's still at 20 bucks. Send AT20 to 2827. So every day gets better. Better than the day before. Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 cents lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got plans left?
Yep. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust. The new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Baliraya para kay Coach
At
Jerry.
yung errors din natin, mas maraming errors. Ironically, itong Philippine Army was 7-4. As we take a look at this replay that we have, the great block that time by Nerissa Bautista for the Philippine Army, sealing that set number 1 para sa Philippine Army.
That's right. Pero again, ang galing ng blocking ng UP at yan pa rin ang kailangan nilang dalhin dito sa second set.
Ito na ang second set, Philippine Army versus the UP Lady Maroons. Andre Felix po, kasama si napakagandang
Sige, Ma'am Bona.
napakagandang Diyosa na sasabihin ko.
Si Noel Zarate ang lahat niya.
Yun ang idol natin, si Boss Noel Zarate. Maganda ang sinabi niya kanina. sinabi niya,
Pero
no?
tawagin akong legend. ano yung mga,
Sabi niya, the legendary goddess.
See, tingnan mo yung, kung nga rin nag-goddess, pero ang ano doon yung legendary eh. Yung matibay doon eh.
Balik tayo sa laro. Mamaya, babalik tayo kay legendary goddess, Modi Ravena, habang ako'y pinapalo dito at kinukurot-kurot. 2-0 lamang ang Army. Tina Salak with the serve. A good dig that time.
O, Tiamson,
Good
alam
reserve,
mo,
yes.
partner, malamang yun ang game plan nila. Panay ang power tip and panay pushes ang ginagawa ng mga attackers na UP. Yung mga hulog na
Yes.
tinatawag. Tingnan natin kung yan pa rin. Kasi umpisa pa lang, yan ang ginawa ni Tiamson.
Shakey's, if it's fun, family, pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Oh, pero free ball na naman. Ito
Free
yung
ball?
naging problema dun sa start,
Tama,
di ba, of the
tama.
first set. Masyado maraming free
Free ball na naging pabor dito sa Philippine Army.
That's right.
Salak will set up Rachel on the other side. Wala. Nakulit ni Rachel. Sinet na naman ni Tina Salak.
Oh, and again, the blocking of UP still there for them at least at this point. Yan ang maganda. Kailangan, yun siguro, no, kung ako si Coach Jerry, gusto kong makita na masustain na yan all throughout this game. Para, kasi
Actually,
ang blocking, ang laking bagay eh.
Tama. Yun ang naging maganda dito nga sa UP. Kayo na pa natin binabanggit, Mozi. Yung kanilang blocking in the first set. Actually, kailangan lang nila masustain, ma-maintain. And alam naman natin, kasi itong attackers and spikers ng Philippine Army, hindi titigil yan eh.
Yes,
They will keep on coming straight to you.
At yung atake ng Philippine Army, nanggagaling sa lahat ng posisyon.
Oh.
Diba? From the utility, from open, quick.
Kahit yung setter
Oo,
nila eh.
yung setter. So, ang gusto mo doon ay yung basa sa depensa ng UP. Yun ang importante doon. They're able to read kung sino aatake.
Yamzon, that time around, tried to read
Oh,
the defense. Balse, but Persola, too strong. Masyadong malakas. So, puntos para dito sa Philippine Army. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Thank you to Axel. 5-1. Sa puntos pa lang ang nasuscore dito ng UP.
Ganyan-ganyan tayo kanina, partner, di ba? 5-1. And tumawag nga ng time, naalala ko, tumawag ng timeout noong time na yun si Coach Jerry. Pero ito, pinababayaan niya nang maglaro. Ang kanyang koponan.
Coach Jerry, kung makikita natin si Coach Jerry pag birthday niya, napakasaya. Ito yung opposite ng itsura ni Coach Jerry pag birthday niya. Yung hindi nakangiti.
Pag hindi niya birthday.
Oo.
Ito yung yung itsura pag may kailangan kang bayaran na ayaw bayaran.
Oo, tama. Actually, yun.
Pag may bill ka na ayaw bayaran. Salak going for for Mary Jean Balse on a be quick. Ganda.
That was a great play that time around. Tina Salak setting up Nerjin Balse. Rachel now will serve for the Philippine Army. Nalamang by 5 points, 7-2 here in the second set. Of course, the first set going to the Lady Troopers. Ilustre. A powerful spike right there. Good block by the Lady Troopers. And Gonzaga
trying to go for a push, but that goes wide. Trying to use the blockers of UP, pero walang touch doon, sabi ng ating referee.
Now Sandoval will set for the Lady Maroons. Oh, that was another quick score there. Salak to Balse. Binalikan nila, and taking a look at our scoreboard, 8-3 lamang.
You make it better. By texting, calling, and surfing. With Smart's All Text 20 Plus. Trying to call so many. Made better with all-day surfing. No free and a tweet. Share and like. It's the key that's so clear. And it's still at 20 bucks. Send AG20 to 2827. So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
na si Bianca Saldua. Bianca?
Maraming salamat, Ray. Ang pinaka-goal talaga ni Coach Jerry ngayon pagdating sa kanyang Lady Maroons ay wag sana silang magbibigay. Lalo niya, alam niya na may konting intimidation factors with the Lady Troopers. Ayaw niya sanang ulitin ang salitang sayang dahil maayos naman ang kanilang laro. Pero tulad ng nabanggit niyo kanina, kulang na kulang pa rin. Pagdating sa Philippine Army, kung may concern naman si Coach Rico, ito ay wag sana silang mapagod dahil galing silang biyahe pala kagabi mula sa Tugigaraw. Pag nagkaroon ng momentum ang UP, nako, baka delikado na. Back to you, Dre and Mosey.
Thank you so much, Bianca. Maganda ang mga nabanggit ni Bianca doon dahil may mga times nga dito na kaya naman ng UP na sabay. They can actually play along with the Philippine Army. At may mga times na nakaka-score sila. Tulad ito, this is a good rally here. Going back to Bersola there.
Actually, pag inisip mo, ang mas mahirap pa nga is yung depensa para maitaas mo yung bola. Pero ang UP, nadadalian nga silang gawin yun. Ang nagiging problema ay hindi na i-set up ng maganda sa opensa. So, maraming ang freebies na kukuha itong Philippine Army.
Maganda na banggit din ni Bianca, partner, na itong Philippine Army nga ay galing...
pagod pa.
Pagod galing Tugigaraw. Nabanggit nga sa atin yan kanina ni kasamang Noel Zarate na itong Philippine Army partida, pagod pa yan sa lagay na yan.
Well, makikita mo dahil medyo mabagal din ang nila dun sa loob.
Kaya mas maraming errors din sila actually and medyo sluggish yung kanilang movements at some points.
Well, so far, Araneta with 5 points, Bersola with 2. Kailangan pa nilang puntos si Bersola. Gonzaga with 8, Pulse with 5.
Bersola now serving. By the way, Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made.
Ito naman, this time, Army ang nagbigay ng free ball. Tignan natin.
Kung makaka-capitalize nitong Lady Maroons, and yun na naman yung pinag-uusapan natin.
KJ talaga.
Ito si Tina Salak eh. Parang
KJ lang eh.
Yung tinatawag ng mga tinatawag sa mga games or sa pag naglalaro ng mga basketball games, I'm sure alam ng mga bata yan. Yung imba, tawag nila.
Iba lang.
Iba lang eh. Kasi talagang unfair eh.
Yung timing
niya.
Okay
na eh. Biglang
siya yung pupultos.
Tina Salak talaga. Good timing that time. Araneta.
Alarka. Baka nakaapak ng paa.
Alarka with that fall. This is one of the things that we don't really want to see in any sport, in any game. But of course, like what they all say, it's inevitable, of course, for some players to have these accidents. Pero then again, sabi nga natin kung kaya natin na balikan natin kung paano ba nangyari. I think yung nasa landing yun eh.
Madalas siya nakakaapak ng paa.
Ayun, yung kanyang kaliwa, yung kanyang... was it the right? I think kanan.
Kanan pa ang nakaapak. So, yun, alam mo, mahirap kasi yan ang collision pagdating sa volleyball, yung middle line na yan. Pag may, halimbawa, nagpa-block, at may umaatake. So, natin kung... sana hindi naman grabe,
Sana, it's not really that serious. Jacqueline Alarga, of course, a former player of the De La Salle Lady Spikers, was very valuable for the Philippine Army Lady Troopers. Panoorin natin ulitin ni Direk Francis para sa ating mga manonood dito sa Shakey's V-League.
Tingnan din natin, kung ayan. Talagang nakaapak.
Talaga.
Si Coach Kung Fu, napakalakas. Pinuhat si Jack Alarca papalabas ng court.
Sana nakunan natin yun. Ayan, talaga si Coach Kung Fu talagang...
Tama naman ang strength ni Coach Kung Fu.
Binuhat na parang unan lang itong si Jacqueline Alarca. And we will get an update from Bianca on ano ba talaga nangyari doon. But basing on sa napanood natin...
Parang may naapakan pa.
Sprained ankle. Sana not that serious.
Well, back to this game. So far, itong Philippine Army, 5 attack points na wala pa rin dito sa UP.
Gamson tried to receive and dig there but too strong.
So now UP now using a new libero na Princess Geyser. Actually, hindi new. Siya yung dating libero nila.
Yung actually, yung Ruby si Esanero na mas ginagamit ni Coach Jerry.
Gamson blocked by two tall girls in Sabas and Tina Salak.
And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, while Nerissa Bautista now serving for the Philippine Army.
Araneta tried for a push.
Again, Araneta. Gonzaga with the save. Here's Takis on the other hand.
Nakakuha pa rin ng linya. Alam mo yung ngayon, mahahaba yung palo ni Dakis. Panay dun sa backline. Tumatama. As you see this one, her last point.
And Rachel Dakis scoring there, extending the Lady Troopers 14-5.
Subukan yung kunin. Ako masama. Puro tayo sigulat, puro tayo sinakot. Sige yung gulat pa. Takot pa.
Back here at the arena in San Juan, of course, we're still watching the game at hand today. The UP Lady Maroons against the Philippine Army Lady Troopers. 14-5. Panalo ng first set itong Philippine Army. Babalikan natin mamaya si Bianca Saldua para sa ating report kung anong nangyari
Kay
doon.
Alarca.
Kay Alarca.
Pero ngayon ang pumalit sa kanya si Jeannie Sabas. So let's hope na wala naman masyadong nangyari kay Alarca. Siyempre, pasimula pa lang ang ating tournament. We want everybody healthy para masaya. Masaya ang volleyball.
Tama. This is just a second game of the UP Lady Maroons. Una pa lamang para sa ating Philippine Army Lady Troopers. At ayun, nakikita natin the teammates, of course, of Alarca attending to her. Tingnan natin ang kanyang status mamaya. Good dig that time around para sa UP. Salak will set up Dakis again. That time around, walang nakapwesto doon.
Down the line hit for Dakis.
Talagang hinahanap ni Dakis yung zone 1 na yan eh. Minsan butas para dito sa...
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
We love Shakey's!
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer?
Yep. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Our website for more details, www.v-league.ph, and of course, at tayo sa Facebook, Mozi, www.facebook.com/Shakey'sVLeague.
Ang dami niyan, daming kwentuhan. Pagka napunta ka dyan, well, UP 2 attack points pa lang, partner.
Doon sa mga nagtataka kung ano ang nangyari kay Jacqueline Alarca, eto si Bianca Saldua may report.
Yes, Kay. Actually, she is in so much pain right now. Tinatakpan niya ang kanyang mukha. At kapag tinatanong siya kung gusto niya maglaro or kaya niya maglaro, parang ayaw niyang sumagot kasi gusto niya pero parang hindi niya talaga kaya. At ayon sa kanilang medical team, can't play talaga for the rest of the game. Na-sprain ang kanyang paa dahil nakaapak siya ng paa. Ayun po. So, balik sa inyo, Dre and Modi.
Thank you so much,
I
Bianca.
think yung kay Araneta yun no? Paa ni Araneta. So, yun, madalas yan nangyayari sa volleyball game.
Yes.
Lalo na yung middle line na yan. Yan talaga yung collision point eh. Yung dyan nakakatakot. Diba?
Tama.
Dyan nagko-collide yung
Alam mo yan, Modi. Alam mo yan.
Right.
During your time, nakailang sprain angle kasi. Siguro madami-dami din, no?
Baka siguro dahil hindi ako masyadong nalalaro, wala. Hindi lang.
Wow.
Hindi, pero wala. Kasi nga alam mo pag conscious effort sa'yo tinitignan mo kung saan ka babaksak.
Sama natin.
Yung boses
ating the voice na si Noel Zacate.
And, well, siguro nga, no, yun ang pinakamagandang gawin ni Jack Alarca. Ipahinga na lang siya ni Coach Rico in this game, recover, and because sinabi nga natin, paumpisa pa lang tayo dito sa tournament na to, marami pa namang laro kung saan kailangan siya ng Philippine Army.
Pero mabibilib ka at makikita mo talaga yung passion ni Jacqueline Alarca dahil gusto niya nga daw bumalik dito sa lating laro. While Sabas scores there, of course, Sabas replacing Jacqueline Alarca. And again, babalikan natin yung depth, yung lalim nitong Philippine Army Lady Trooper squad.
That is true.
Nawala si Alarca, ito naman si Sabas, nakascore, now serving for the Lady Troopers.
Well, UP now 12 digs at the Philippine Army with 15. So, hindi malayo pagdating sa digs. Because yun nga yung floor defense ng UP, maayos naman.
19-9, lamang pa rin ng 10. And still Jeannie Sabas who is serving para sa ating Philippine Army Lady Troopers. Of course, we wish Jacqueline Alarca well and hopefully she will recover sooner than later sa sprint. And Jamzon.
Again, yung placement shot, yun ang panayang ginagawa nila and that it has been really effective on their part. Pero siguro maganda rin i-mix up nila ng konti ng mga attacking malalakas.
Nababasa nitong Philippine Army ang diskarte. Oh, medyo nang-giggle that time around ng si Mary Jean Balsen. Nakita niya na
nalobat.
Oo Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Oh,
short that time ang serve.
Right into the net. Yun yung on the part of UP naman, sometimes, pag ganito na yung laro, yun naman yung mga ayaw mo makita, yung unforced errors. Di ba? Yung nakakadagdag pa siya So, mga libreng puntos siya na binibigay mo sa kalaban because obviously it's a rally point system.
They set up Bersola again. A nice dig that time by Dakis. But the point will go to the UP Lady Maroons. Saan mangyari doon, Mozzie?
Alam mo, ang gusto ko lang ang nakita ko doon sa last play ni Bersola, ang respeto ng Philippine Army, 3 blockers ang nasa harap niya.
Maganda napansin mo.
Ganon kalaking ang respeto sa kanya pagdating sa middle hit ni Bersola.
Buhay pa ang ating
good job for UP.
But Gonzaga capitalizing on that time.
That's right. Freebie given to Army. Ngayon, Army naman ang nag-power tip and easily got that point. Gonzales now comes in and si Dalia Cruz rin. Papasok na. Of course, Gonzales is their second setter. Papalikan na siya na ngayon na magsiset. Dalia Cruz in front.
Inupo muna ni Coach Rico de Guzman si Tina Salak and Gonzaga.
Marami na raw siya masyadong dunk in this game.
Nakasobra na daw.
Kota na yung dunk.
Kota na. Pupunta naman ng UP kay Ilustre.
They have been really going for drop balls and placement shots. And but this time, si Bautista gusto niya rin mag-drop pero nabasa ng UP.
Basang-basa ng UP yun at that time. Bersola now serving. And the Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's B-League, proudly Philippine-made.
Oh, that's going to be long for Bersola.
Long serve there for Bersola. Balik na naman sa Philippine Army. Mary Jane Balse serving Jamzon and hinahabol ni Geyser.
King Balse getting a point off her serve. King Balse, matagal na din naglalaro to. At of course, coming from UST, naglalaro sa Philippine team for quite a while.
Geyser with nice receive and now they send it over back to the Army. Gonzales will set things up for Cruz. Gonzales again. This time, habulin naman ni Geyser. Buhay pa. That was it.
Good job.
Good job, Geyser.
Yung UP, humabol ng bola, except that yun na nga pag binigay nila ng libre, ng free ball, ang balik lang matindi. Yun yung mahirap doon. Habol nila yung bola, may mga ganda silang tawag mo dito, saves. Pero, dahil free ball ang balik, syempre.
Balik doon, yun lang yung nagiging problema talaga all throughout this ball game.
nakaka-atake ng maigi itong Philippine Army. Just like that, Dalia Cruz ending the second
Ending
set.
the second set for the Philippine Army Lady Troopers, 25-13. Babalikan natin itong Shakey's Shake and Play ng ating second set.
But Dalia Cruz,
Cruz.
cross-court hit.
Yes. Just ending that set in favor of the Philippine Army Lady Troopers. One more time, panoorin natin. And ending this second set, 25-13. Army now up 2 sets to 0.
Hey, listen, let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trying to call too many.
Made better with all-day surfing. Now sweet and the sweet. Share and like. It's the treat that's so sweet. And it's still a 20 bucks.
Send to AT20 to 2827.
So every day gets better. Better than the day before.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
We love Shakey's.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. Till Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer?
Yep. Did you?
I'm so lucky.
Still that problem, they have a good floor defense, but yung offense doon nagkakaproblema. Plus, they're giving too much freebies to UP, just like that one. At si Jovelyn, daling-dali, di ba? Nakakuha ka agad ng puntos. So, yun yung nagiging problema dito sa UP. But again, of course, Coach Jerry will just, I'm sure he just wants to take in what he could learn and the team could learn in this game against the Philippine Army. But siguro gusto niya naman, set by set, gumaganda yung laro nila.
Actually,
as a coach, yun yung gusto mong makita. Hindi yung parang bumibigay ka towards the end.
Pero ika nga ng sinasabi, nung narinig natin, this is not over. It's not over until the fat lady sings. You know, we've seen, and you've been in a lot of games, as Dakis with that strong attack there. So much power in that spike, and Dakis, of course.
Sorry naman, nag-apologize kila.
Ka mag-alala, Rachel. Okay lang yan.
Doon ka pa kay Rachel nag-alala. Well, talking about Rachel, she has now 8 points. Ito na si Gonzaga with 10 points. And Mary Jane Balse having the same number as Dakis with 8. On the other side, it's Araneta with 7. Bersola with 5. Tiamson with 4.
The familiar, of course, no strange names in that UP kung sino talaga nakaka-score. Sabi mo nga, basang-basa. Talagang inabangan na si Bersola kanina pa.
That's right. And ang nangyayari lang, mas maganda ang nilalaro ng UP pagdating sa depensa, lalo na ni Araneta at ni Bersola. Kasi yung nakikita natin na lagi silang nandun sa blocking, pero again, hindi siya enough eh. Kailangan talagang, kumbaga, extra push eh.
Actually.
Extra ketchup.
Kaya pa. And by the way, Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Yan naman ang extra cheese.
Extra cheese, yun ang gusto natin dun eh. UP getting the score 3-2. Nababa na lang lamang. Nakapuntos na dito ang UP sa ating third set. Oh, Dakis coming from the middle with that strong, but that was a good receive. And that time around, hindi nakuha ni Nerissa Bautista sa puntos para sa UP. Panoorin natin ulit ang nangyayari doon, Mozzie.
Look at that last play. Thompson going for an angle, nobody there. Yan ang kailangan, yung pwesto-pwesto, pero at least palo naman this time, hindi hulog.
Good point.
Kasi nababasa na nung Philippine Army mga hulog ng UP. Oh, great dig. But a free ball nonetheless again from UP.
Setting up Philippine Army. Dalia Cruz was stopped. Good block, good defense. So we're seeing some energy and some life from the UP Lady Maroons in this set so far.
That's correct. Alam mo yung blocking kasi, parang sa basketball, diba? Pag naka-block ka, iba yung nagagawa nun eh. Diba?
Nagkakaroon minsan ng momentum shift eh.
Correct.
One block can do that. And Dakis that time around says we will get that point back.
For coverage on the part of the UP Lady Maroons.
Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud part of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made.
Oh, and Sabas getting that point of her serve. Alam mo, mataas naman yung service na yun, kaya lang masyado nang close to the net yung first ball.
Jeannie Sabas getting that point. 5-4, lamang ang Army, and Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Too strong that time.
Sandoval. Masyadong looper yung pagkabalo, not enough wrist action on that spike.
Jeannie Sabas again. Full serve and good dig that time by UB. Good reserve.
Estranero getting that kick.
Dakis again.
Ayan, off the block.
Using all her might and power.
Sige. Gusto mong pag nagloko-loko ka. Hindi, paano ba? Pag nagloko-loko ka, pag nasampal ka niya, nakikita mo na.
Hindi, dun sa mga nanonood ngayon na talaga mga fans ni Rachel na mga nagtatanong, single ba siya ngayon? Yun yung mga, hindi, yun ang...
Let's ask Stalker Noel. Wait a minute.
Alam ni Noel yung sagot dyan eh. Hindi yung mga nagtatanong kung single ba ngayon, itong si Rachel.
Ikaw lang yan. Ayan.
At kinose up pa.
Ay, kisama sa inyo si Derek, ha? Connive, Ban.
Pag napanood siguro ni Rachel, sino ba yun? Sino ba yun? Kanina pa yun, ha? Balik tayo dito sa ating game.
Agno with a dig.
And they'll set up Rachel again.
Oh.
Right on cue.
Yan ang makukuha nyo.
Ayan.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trying to call so many.
Made better with all-day surfing. No tweets and a tweet. Share and like. Instant tweet. That's so sweet. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AT20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. the country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only
Guys, dahil siya lang ang matibay na quicker nila. Pero hindi talaga siya concerned ngayon. Mas concerned siya bukas dahil yun na nga, iniisip na niya kung ano yung mangyayari bukas. Sa kabilang court naman, walang masabi si Coach Jerry. Hinahayaan niya ang kanyang mga Lady Maroons mag-usap para ma-realize nila ang kanilang pagkukulang. Balik sa inyo, Modi and Dre.
Thank you, Bianca. Actually, tama yan. Sprain ankle. Ang ginagawa nga nila dyan, di ba? Ang sinasabi sila yung rice technique. Yung rest, ice, compress, and elevate. Dahil
naman.
yung pagmamaganyan, yung talagang
ina-address, diba? Yun yung inauna i-address. So far, partner, ito, mas magandang numero para sa UP. 3 attack points against Philippine Army's 4. Diba? Ngayon man lang nagiging nakalapit.
Doon natin nakikita yung konting buhay dito sa third set. Sabi nga natin, di pa tapos ang laban natin, folks. Kaya pang bumawi nitong UP Lady Maroons. Balse again at tip in, and she will score that time around 10-6 lamang na ng apat ng Philippine Army Lady Troopers.
Sa digs naman, na kanina pa natin pinapansin na hindi naman naglalayo talaga ang UP, no? 17 para sa UP, 16 para sa Philippine Army. Mas marami pa ang UP.
Oh, and Bersola again scoring there. Puntos? Hindi. Anong nangyari doon, Mozzie?
Wala, ang in-award
para sa
Philippine Army. Last point.
Dalia Cruz now.
I think that was a lifting violation against UP.
Yun naman pala. Bautista.
Chance for UP to attack. There you go. Diba? Pag uma-atake, nakakapuntos rin naman, especially with Bersola in front, pero mukhang siya nang papalo. Diba nandiyan naman si Araneta to come in for kapalit ni Bersola dun sa harapan.
Si Bersola is, of course, one of the few bright spots that UP has in today's game. But, like what we always say, it's not over until the Fat Lady sings, and Bautista.
Oh, that's too long.
Too long that time around. Balik ang puntos, and of course, Bersola will still serve para sa Lady Maroons. 11-8. Lamang pa rin ng tatlo itong Army. Pero medyo maganda-ganda. Medyo maganda-ganda ang tinatakbo ng laro nitong mga bata ni Coach Jerry Yee in this set.
Oh, yun. Ang ganda nung
service ace that time.
That's right. Bersola getting that point. Katig Bersola, you can see that she's a strong player.
Oh, yes.
Diba? Lakas pumalo.
Yan yung
lakas pag-block.
Yan yung mga isa sa mga sinasabi mo na nababanggit mo na ayaw mong galitin. Pag manliligaw ka, boyfriend ka, huwag mong gagalitin ng isang volleyball player na girlfriend mo dahil siguradong mayayari ka.
Eto na naman, free ball na naman
yun ang
binigay
nangyari
na
doon.
UP. So, sinagot na naman ang Army ng isang malakas na play. And they get
courtesy
the point.
of Mary Jane Balse there. That has been the story mostly of this game. A lot of free balls and of course benefiting itong Philippine Army.
King Balse getting an ace on the sharp serve.
Coach Jerry, an anxious look on his face. Kasi nakaka-score na itong UP eh. They're gaining some momentum here. But of course, some spurts won't help if they don't defend well as well. Itong rally ngayon, let's see.
Bautista on the open hit. Cross-court hit gives at that point.
Bautista just too much power there. Let's take a look one more time at that open cross-court hit.
At nakita mo yung blockers, hindi man lang tinamaan dun sa anggulong tinahak ng bola ni Nerissa.
And speaking of bola, Mikasa is the official ball off the Shakey's Dili. Oh! A miscue that time. Medyo na-late lang ng pwesto nitong si Dalia Cruz. Di nga na-receive yung bola.
She will lie with that push.
Yes.
It's a point for Coach Jerry Yee. This is close. 10 for UP and Army with 14.
Sabas. Oh.
Sabas with a quick hit. Pinalitan nga niya si Jack Alarca kanina na na-injure in the second set.
But of course, paying dividends. Ito naman din pagpalit ni Sabas kay Alarca. ito nga yung sinasabi natin, yung players talaga ni Coach Rico, kumpleto ka eh. You have a lot of players in positions na kahit ma-down yung isa, kahit ipalitan mo yung isa, Dakis with that strong, powerful attack. Again, Rachel Ann Dakis giving a 6-point lead to the Philippine Army Lady Troopers.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price. What a great deal.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the plans left?
Yes. Did you?
I'm so lucky.
Other than Miss Rich Asuncion, 25 years old, from Quezon City. Rich Asuncion, our face of the game. At maswerte siya, may pizza siyang maiuwi.
Tama yan, nanood ka na lang eh. Nag-enjoy ka na. May pizza pa.
May pizza ka pa. May mabibigay ka pa kay boyfriend.
At eto pa si Rachel with that attack, challenging the blockers of UP and winning that point. At napakaya naman siya.
Hindi ko alam na nakinig pala yun. Well, received that time by Bautista. They go back to Dakis.
Well, so far, Jewel Lai, the setter of UP, has 8 excellent sets. Sa kabilang dako naman niya, Ina Salak with 12, Gonzalez with 2. UP now 6 attack points. Philippine Army with 9.
And that was a good middle attack that time from Araneta. Jewel Lai now serving for UP. Hinahabol pa rin nila itong lamang ng Philippine Army. Too strong, and that was too long for Jewel Lai's serve. Babalik ang punto sa tambola dito sa Philippine Army. Okay, nakikita natin si Coach Jerry Yee. Very concerned and not really that pleased today. Kanina nagkakaroon na ng spurts, nagkakaroon na ng moments.
Pero yung bumalik na naman sila doon sa pagbigay ng free ball. Kaya parang ang dali-dali makascore ng Army because of those free balls. Parang na-set up nila yung play nilang maigi. Kanina nga nakikita pa tayo ng mga kombinasyon galing sa Philippine Army.
May malaking bubuhay na dumaan dito sa harap natin. Mukhang kailanganin natin tong Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil and Aerosol.
Yeah.
Of course, as a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine made. Nagulat ako dun sa
magtiwala ka, maraming Lion, Tiger dito all over the place.
Yan ang kailangan natin.
Tiwala.
At tiwala lamang. Versola.
Off the block, partner. Ganun kalakas. Ang palo. Yun yung sayang, di ba? Kaya natin sinasabing sayang. Kasi, sana napuntahan pa nila ng napuntahan itong si Araneta, si Versola, si Chamson.
Yes.
Di ba?
Cruz. 14 to 19. At balik ang bola sa UP Lady Maroons. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Dakis. Good block that time by UP. Too long, and point will go to the UP Lady Maroons. May kita natin medyo active itong front line itong UP consisting of Sandoval, Versola, and Ortiz.
That's right.
They go to Balse.
Balse. Yan yung pamatay sunod nila kanina ba? They will go to King Balse. Balse will go for a quick hit. And
Maganda yung nabanggit mong pamatay sunod. Dahil, alam mo yun na yung momentum, pupunta na sa UP Mozi, and then, Philippine Army with that, and Rachel with the serve. A good block by Bautista, but Sandoval with the score there.
And you like that? Again, they challenged the blockers of the Philippine Army. Walang katakot-takot on that last play.
Sandoval now will serve for the Lady Maroons. They go to Bautista using the left hand. Yung angulo na hanap doon ni Nerissa Bautista.
Veterano lang. Veteran move there.
alam niya kung saan niya ipepwesto yung bola eh. Nerissa Bautista. Now Dalia Cruz will serve for the Philippine Army Lady Troopers. 4 points to go and they can close this game out. Too long.
That's a long one for Ortiz. Too much muscle there.
Akala ko pag tumitingin si Rachel dito, pag humingiti na gano'n, nakala ko sa atin eh.
Barry yan.
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Thank you, Barry.
Akala mo sa'yo
Akala ko sa akin kay Barry ba?
Oo.
Okay ko sa mga coach yata. Humingit ba't si Rachel? Akala ko sa atin na eh.
Hindi pa.
Catherine Barsola now will serve for UP.
Barsola getting that serve in. Alam mo, kanina mapapansin mo, iba-iba yung servisyo nitong si Barsola. Kanina looper na nag-out. Pero naman siya ace kasi lakas na sharp. Tinatansya pa niya, no? Kung anong pupuntahan niya. But Philippine Army is trying to breeze through and get this one to go.
They're just now in cruise control, Mozi. And this is how a veteran team really plays. Kahit galing pa silang Tugigaraw, they're tired, their legs. A while ago, we were seeing some medyo sluggish yung kanilang mga galaw kanina. But still to no avail, talagang itong Army knows how to close things out as Bautista capitalizing on that cross-court score that time.
That's right. And Bautista challenging the blockers of UP. Kahit na nandito si Araneta, wala. Gusto niya nararamdaman mong gusto tapusin. Alam mo yung ganong feeling? King Balde with an ace.
That is about it. That's all she wrote, folks. And of course, Coach Jerry Yee and Coach Rico shaking hands in cross-court, and of course the players. But, the Philippine Army Lady Troopers, I think the UP Lady Maroons showed what they have to offer. They wanted to bounce back from that loss. As we take a look at the Shakey's shaken play in this third and final set, closing it out with that service ace, Mary Jane Balse.
Look at there go, the veteran Ying Balse on that ace.
There's just no better way to close out this match for the Philippine Army. And what a way to start things out for...
I'm pretty sure maraming natutunan na UP in this game.
We'll wrap things up, but we'll be right back.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
We all that text to everybody.
Trying to call too many.
Made better with all day surfing. No tweets and the tweets. Share and like. Instant tweet, that's so free. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send to AG20 to 2827.
So now the day gets better. Better than the day before.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now.
Rachel Daggett. Rachel, itatanong ko sa inyo na yung coach nyo, si Coach Rico, sabi niya, ang goal nyo sa season na ito ay para maging champion ulit at ibabalik yung champion sa inyo. So ngayon na panalo kayo sa first game, ano yung masasabi mo tungkol doon?
Siyempre po, unang-unang good start po yun para sa team namin. And yun nga po, galing lang din po kami sa game namin, kakauwi lang po namin. And kahit na alam namin pagod kaming lahat, alam ni Coach na pagod kami, ginawa pa din namin yung best namin para dito sa game na to.
Alright, yung susunod na tanong ay kanina, syempre, unfortunately, nagkaroon ng injury ang inyong teammate na si Jacqueline Alarca. So, ano yung magiging epekto ito para sa team ninyo, para sa susunod na laban?
Siyempre, unang-una magkakaroon ng adjustment. Pero meron din kayong mga teammates na wala pa ngayon. So, hindi pa kami complete. So, pwedeng magbago yung perfect namin. So, yun, adjustment.
So, sa tingin mo, madadown ba yung mga ka-teammates mo dahil wala si Jacqueline?
Siyempre, una, yun yung nasanay kami na si Jacqueline nasa loob. Pero, siyempre, may tiwala kami sa isa't isa. So, kaya din namin.
Alright, baka may gusto kang batiin.
Hi po sa sa Philippine Army family, and nagpapasalamat po kami sa sumusuporta sa team po namin, and sa family ko po, hi din po.
Alright, congratulations Rachel Daggett. Meron kang pizza mula sa Shakey's. And balik sa inyo, Andre and Mosey.
Thank you so much. And congratulations kay Rachel.
Natuwa ka, no?
Eto si Bianca, hindi tinanong. Sabi ko, Bianca, tanungin mo kung may boyfriend. Hindi mo tinanong.
Personal ka talaga.
Oh, but congratulations to Rachel and Dakis and to the Philippine Army Lady Troopers. 3-0. Any last thoughts, Mozzie?
Well, I'm sure, again, UP, a lot of learning in this game. And si Coach Jerry, a lot of adjustment for sure coming to their tournament. Pero ang Philippine Army mukhang steady at this point.
Thank you for watching the Shakey's V-League Season 11 Open Conference, where it all started. In behalf of my partner, Mozzie Ravena, this has been Andre Felix. We'll see you again next time, only here on GMA News TV.